Hello and welcome to another video. This is something new for 2022. I saw it on eBay and ordered it, and I've had it for quite a while to be honest, but I've only just getting around to opening it. I can find out. I'm just going to slide it out. Well packed. So it's a 3D printed Minidisc stand, like a Minidisc rack. So it's like a honeycomb there. You see the 3D printing there. Quite simple. I think it was about £6 plus postage. Let me get some mini discs. So what it does is it accepts the mini discs in their cases, which is nice. Let's not get these muddled up. Let's put them in, all of them in at the front, see how it works. So it's not wall mountable, but it's designed to have the mini disc in their cases, just like that. And you can then flick through your mini disc like that. So if you've got labels on the front, like most normal people do, then you can just flick through your mini discs like that. And if you've got the labels on the back, like sad obsessive people like me do, you can flick through them like that. I like that. Really nice. Nice and neat. Very nice. So let's see how it goes with mini discs not in their cases. No, doesn't work. So the mini discs have got to be in the cases, which I like anyway. Most of my mini discs are in cases. So yeah, it's a lovely unit that. I like that. So there it is, full up. It takes 20 mini discs. I didn't have 20 all of the same type handy, but yeah, I like that. That's very useful. Flip through your mini discs like that. See the labels on the front, or if you've got the labels on the back, flick through, see the labels on the back. Very nice. £6 I think. I'll put a link in the description as well if it's still on sale, so you can go ahead and support these people who are making new stuff for mini discs. That's it for this one. Thanks very much. See you in the next video.